SYC Orlando, baby. And all I gotta say is the crew's back.
Crew's back and we got our own merch.
Yes, sir. Go check it out.
Team Syrup, baby.
Go to logoinfusion.com. Check out the merch.
None of that Nutella.
Hey,
All that
hey,
Nutella.
hey.
None of that.
No, hold on. We
Only
gotta talk
syrup
about the
belongs
special.
on
Let's
bacon.
go, baby. Let's go.
Go to logoinfusion.com. If you buy 4, you get 1 free.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's good plug. Good plug.
Harry, are you gonna do that?
Of course I'm gonna do it. I already got the new crew shirt.
Yes, sir.
Here, I'll give you a 360 view. Here's the back. You see?
Yes, sir. So, all I gotta say is it's gonna be a fun time. Let's get to it.
Stay tuned.
All right, so normally we start with the bowling, and then we have the content at the end. But today, because we're really bored, and according to my watch, we don't bowl for a long time.
7:15 a.m.
It's no.
I don't think it's that early.
No, it's not that early. So we got a foosball table downstairs, and someone's gonna lose.
And an air hockey table. And a pool table.
That doesn't work.
The air hockey one doesn't work.
Power downstairs.
Yeah, but
That's unfortunate.
someone's gonna lose in foosball
I
right
think it's
now.
gonna be you.
More
Dude,
importantly,
let's go. Play well, sir. Come on, baby, give me one. Come on. You don't want it. Oh! What is that? What a joke. Hit it harder. More referee. Man. Oh my God. Oh! Come on! That wasn't even close. You don't want it, baby. You want it. What?
That can go in.
Hit the ball. I can't touch it. It's literally out of play.
Get some of that, baby.
Uh-oh. Brandon.
Come on! No! Come on!
Big dub. Team Syrup all day.
Yes, sir. Oh, come on. Yeah! Come on! None of that! Nobody wants. Ah! Take you down, baby! Oh! Come on! Let's go! Team Syrup, baby. You little rat. Oh, come on! All right, Harry. So we just got to the bowling center, and we checked in, and we got our goodie bags. Tell me this isn't like the coolest thing ever. They put little pieces of paper. It says "Join the debate," with a little thing for my YouTube channel and a little QR code for the video. Also, in the bag, in the freaking bag,
Individual syrup
individual
packets
syrup
and Nutella
packets, little Nutella packets, and little syrup packets. Dude, that's like the coolest thing ever. That's like,
gotta rep the merch today.
dude, that's like the sickest thing ever.
Me and Harry repping the. So syrup versus Nutella.
Hey,
We roll on.
No,
I'm saying Team Syrup.
if you're Team Nutella, put it down in the comments.
Yeah, dude, in the comments below, tell me, Team Syrup or Team Nutella. We want to hear it because Team Syrup's always a winner. That's all I'm saying.
Whoa! All right, turn the camera off.
Pretty ball.
right, so the vlog has PBA Hall of Famer Norm Duke in the vlog. So the real question is, what belongs on bacon, syrup or Nutella?
Oh, no. Bacon, that's like a side item. You don't put anything on the bacon. Now, if somebody turns their head and they're not looking and you want to dip it a little bit in the syrup, go for it. Stay away from Nutella. Nope, syrup.
Syrup all day?
But not when people are looking, because bacon is the man.
Do you hear that, Leanne? Another Hall of Famer said Team Syrup. You're on Team Nutella. Yeah.
Now, if you have to be on a team, I want to be like a reserve player on both teams because I like to eat. That's all I'm getting at. And I love bacon.
Bruh.
So we've got Matt McNeil, future Minnesota State Hall of Famer. In the vlog, we've got the very important question.
All right.
So, you like bacon?
I do like bacon.
Okay.
Enjoy some bacon from time to time.
There's not a lot of people that don't, but anyway. So, we've got an important question.
Yep.
What belongs on bacon? Syrup or Nutella?
I'll tell you what, folks. If you're using this, no good.
No good, right?
You put syrup on your bacon. Nutella has no business being on bacon at any time, ever. So
Matt.
I stand in the syrup crowd.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Go syrup. Not a lot, just push it a little bit.
Okay, so we've got Verity Crawley in the vlog with the very important question. Do you like bacon?
I do like bacon, but I like English bacon more than American bacon.
Okay, it'll still work. It'll still work. Do you like syrup or Nutella on your bacon?
Now, I would say neither, but since I don't like Nutella, I'm going to go with syrup.
That's the right answer. Good call. Six.
Team Nutella, baby.
All right, practice recap time. You good now?
Yeah, already.
Okay. All I gotta say is, this is not related to bowling, but the three people that I asked, if they were on Team Syrup or Team Nutella, all said Team Syrup.
Okay,
That wasn't in the vlog.
listen.
Yes,
That
it
was
is.
not
Because
in
the
Yes, it is.
hold on,
Team
that's
Syrup.
BS because the 4 people I asked all said they were on Team Nutella.
I asked about
Oh,
7.
don't worry.
three.
The
I asked.
70 people I asked said Team Syrup too.
I asked
That's just not
Matt
reliable.
McNeil, Verity Crawley,
like the
and
election.
Hall of Famer Norm Duke.
Who's Norm Duke?
Did he say Team Nutella too?
No, he said Team Syrup. Practice.
Practice went awesome.
Practice was a blast.
My luck is amazing.
Practice was a blast. It
It
was,
was not a blast
Hey.
for me.
it was just fun.
It was not fun.
We had a good time with it.
I did not have fun.
All I'm gonna say is on the medium pattern, there's gonna be a lot of kids that are gonna whack them.
I'm not.
Medium might be the
Medium was
easiest
my
thing I've
worst.
ever.
I just had fun at practice. That's all I'm saying.
Our pair is great.
So, are we ready to go home and give some more content?
I want some food.
Eventually.
Well, food first.
Hey. there's a special thing that will be arriving at the house.
What's arriving at the house, Mike?
Extra content.
Ping pong table! Oh! You know what? We'll have to see. Okay, so we're at Dairy Queen right now, getting a snack. We are at the closest Dairy Queen to Boardwalk Mall. And, you know, we're with the manager of Dairy Queen. And, you know, she asked us what's on our shirts. So we all got Team Syrup and Team Nutella shirts on, right? But she picked Team Nutella and she didn't even try it. So she literally walked behind the counter, grabbed a piece of bacon, and now she's got her bacon. Where's the Nutella? I pulled out my SYC bag that I got today, and I'm gonna give her some syrup and Nutella. She's gonna try it. She literally walked behind the counter to get it right now. What's your name?
Allison.
Okay.
Allison, you're a legend. One time out.
It's going to be Nutella. Hi. Okay, syrup is good.
Okay, come on. Come on, baby. For the weekend. Our first vote of the weekend. No, it's not. That is? It's not.
It's Nutella.
Oh, get some of that, baby. Come on.
Sorry, that's
Team Nutella all the way, baby.
They're both good. But Nutella's a little better.
Okay.
But I would also eat it with syrup.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Dude, we got the whole store in this. We got more now.
I got it twice.
Okay, so we have the Glizzy Lord James, we have Ruby, and we have Adriana. Alright. So we're like, we got 4 people at a Dairy Queen. At a Dairy Queen next to Boardwalk Mall. It's all about the bacon. It depends on the bacon. Dude, this is insane.
You don't even need a ping pong.
No. That is true. Mike, was this the extra content you were talking about?
Okay, they're all gonna be at the house. I gotta go with syrup.
Yeah, baby. Come on.
Please don't get the same answer. It's closer than you thought, right?
You know it's right.
Yeah!
Okay, we're tied.
What is it? What?
No, we're going syrup. That's an easy.
Yeah! So, hate to say it, there was no ping pong tonight. Well, there's ping pong going on in the living room, but it's not happening in the vlog. The Dairy Queen had some fun. We had some fun with that. That was an absolute blast. We start competition tomorrow at 9 a.m. bright and early, and I'm not looking forward to waking up, but I'm looking forward to bowling tomorrow. So be sure to go to logoinfusion.com, check out the merch. We'll have a link somewhere down below, down in the description. Be sure to comment if you're on Team Syrup or Team Nutella. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 1 of qualifying.